we are looking at how to count from 11 to 20 in Spanish. If you've missed the first part of this video, counting 1 to 10, linking right here on the top right corner. So how do you pronounce those numbers? 11 is 11. So for this video, you're going to be hearing that I do pronounce the C's like TH in English with the th sound, because that would be the accent from central Spain. Once. But you have to know that in other parts of Spain and in South America, they would pronounce the C like an S, saying once, which would be also correct. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to pronounce it like in Spain with TH, once. 12 is 12. 13 is 13. 14 15 is 15. 15 or 15. 16 is 16. 17 is 17. 18 18. 19. You can hear that it's actually 19, so meaning 10 and 9. 19. And finally, 20. Of course, the V sounds like a B in Spanish. And now you know. More counting for you. If you want to count to 100, here is a video for you. And if you've missed 1 to 10, here is the video on how to count 1 to 10 in Spanish. Thanks for watching. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego. I'll see you soon.